Have you ever sent the wrong email and instantly felt that cold panic in your chest? Maybe you forgot the attachment, or worse, sent confidential info to the wrong person. Yup, been there. But hey, don't freak out just yet. Outlook has a secret move that just might save the day. Let's jump in and see what you can do to take that email back before it's too late. All right, imagine this. You hit send too fast. Maybe you forgot the attachment, made a typo, or worse, sent it to the wrong person. Don't panic. Outlook actually gives you a chance to fix that. Let's see how it works. First, open Outlook and go to your Sent Items folder. Now, find the email you want to recall and double-click it to open it in its own window, not just in the preview pane. Up at the top, go to the Message tab, click Actions, and select Recall this message. A dialog box pops up with two options. Delete unread copies of this message, delete unread copies and replace with a new message. Let's look at the first option, delete unread copies of this message. Use this when you simply want the original email gone, as long as it hasn't been opened yet. Just select this and click OK. Outlook will try to quietly remove it from the recipient's inbox. Now, let's try the second option. Delete unread copies and replace with a new message. This is super useful when you want to correct the message and resend it. For example, you forgot the attachment or need to fix an error. So, select this second option and hit OK. Outlook will now open a fresh copy of the email, so you can make your changes. Once you're done editing, click Send, and Outlook will attempt to delete the original message and send this updated one instead. Warning: these recall options only work under certain conditions. Both you and the recipient need to be on Microsoft Exchange or within the same organization. The email must still be unread. The recipient should be using Outlook Desktop. Dart so, if all the stars align, boom, you just saved yourself from an awkward email disaster. And hey, even if it doesn't always work, at least now you know how to try. Let's just say next time, a quick double check never hurts. All right, back to the inbox we go.